How to upload and structure a course in Zenler. So we're going to give you a step-by-step guide, and this is about Zenler, so it is about how you can set it all up inside Zenler itself. But it's super easy, and it does apply, these methodologies apply to other platforms as well. There's more posts for course creators if you follow the link in the description, guys. So your course videos are recorded. Now it's time to upload everything and build the full student experience. The good news, Zenler makes this so simple. If you're not tech savvy, in this video, I'm showing you exactly how to upload, organize, and structure your course step by step. So let's start with step one. Create a new course from your Zenler admin dashboard. Click Courses and select New Course. Enter the title, description, thumbnail, save and continue. Zenler generates your course shell immediately. So it creates that sales page, the checkout page, the thank you page, and of course the course access page. Step two, add modules. So inside the curriculum, you can add sections or modules. Modules are the big sections of your course. An example, introduction, core concepts, demonstration, advanced techniques, bonuses. To add modules, go to the curriculum and you can add module. Name it, save it, keep names short, clear. Students always know where they are. So in step three, we're going to add our lessons to each module. Lessons are where the teaching happens. To add a lesson, click the module, select add lesson, choose your lesson type. Zenler supports a ton of different formats: video lessons, text lessons, audio, live sessions, quizzes, assignments, surveys, HTML, PDFs, PDF flipbooks, audio, just a ton of different things. Too many to mention and too many for me to tell you because I can't remember them all, there's so many. Right, step four, upload your video files. So your video lessons, click video lesson, upload your MP4 or MOV file, and Zenler auto processes all for all devices, okay? So tip, keep file names clear, upload in lesson order, and use 1080 for best results. That's high HD, okay, for best results. So there's also a bulk upload feature, so you can bulk upload your videos as well on Zenler. So make it super easy, and you can reshuffle the order, no problem, just all drag and drop. Step five, add downloads and resources to enhance lessons, PDFs, templates, PowerPoint presentations, right? That's one I didn't mention. Cheat sheets, slide decks, practice files. Students love resources. You can add assignments in there as well if you want to get people to send you files, or you pass them before they move on to another lesson in the course. You can do all of this inside Zenler, no problem. To add, go to the lesson, click add resource, upload your file. Step six, enable drip. So if you want it, you can enable content to be dripped out over time. This is to stop overwhelm. So an example of this, module 1 immediately, module 2 goes out day 7, module 3 goes out day 14. To enable, go to drip settings, choose day after enrollment, or you can even drip on fixed dates. Step 7, add quizzes and interactive elements. Zenler lets you create multiple choice quizzes, true or false question, fill in the blanks, assignments, and of course you can grade those as well, and you can add certificates in there for when people finish. Something to bear in mind here is that inside Zenler we have quizzes and surveys, but not only can you create a linear format, that's question after the next question, so you go in order, but you can also create branching or logical based surveys and quizzes in Zenler. So we have branching surveys and branching quizzes. These boost engagement and improve outcome. Step 8, organize your curriculum. Drag and drop lessons in the correct order, make lessons flow logically. Modules follow your transformational path, okay, that you're teaching. Learning feels simple and progressive. So step 9, preview and publish. Always preview your course. Click preview, watch the intro, test downloads, test navigation, check drip timing. When you're ready, click publish, set the pricing, connect checkout, and share that link. Test as a student, right? Go in there, test in incognito window in something like Chrome, and you'll be able to see that student experience. Make sure you're getting the automated emails that go out when someone signs up, okay? So these are really important things. Test, test, test before launch. Before you share that link, test everything. So, Zenler upload checklist. Let's go through this. Modules created, lessons added, videos uploaded, resources added, quizzes added, curriculum organized, drip set, course previewed, publish your course is live. Now comes launch marketing and student engagement. We've got full written guides. We've also got tutorials that help you with marketing your online business. This is something we are passionate here at Zenler about, is actually taking you beyond the Zenler site and your courses, but actually taking you to market so you can market and make money from your courses or your memberships. So check it all out. It's all in the description. Also, make sure you hit the bell and subscribe to the YouTube channel, because we produce these videos like crazy, right? So there's always something for you. So if you like this, you like my teaching style, the way I'm telling you things, then hit that subscribe. If you don't, then good luck, guys.